Okay guys, quick one, Dubai property tips. Subscribe if you like, subscribe if you don't like. Do not buy a property until and unless you understand the local dynamics of that property. So whether you like it or not, if you're not a seasoned investor, have somebody in your corner advising you. And I'll give you an example. 7 months ago, maybe last year, 2017 I think, I've got an investor come in for a strategy consultation for one of my strategy sessions, and we go through everything that he needs to do to buy the best property, and I ask him a ton of questions. These sessions last about an hour and a half, 2 hours. He ends up telling me that he was just about to purchase a property in Jumeirah Lake Towers, a 1-bedroom, because the ticket price of what he wanted to and could afford was very right. Of that 1-bedroom apartment was just about perfect. And when he showed me the floor plan, I just basked at it. I was like, what? Are you serious? The one thing he didn't actually consider was in a 1-bedroom apartment, you generally need, if you're taking it for an investment, you need to rent it out to tenants. You almost 99% of the times need 1 full bathroom, ideally ensuite bedroom, so it's connected to the bedroom, and a half bathroom, like a guest bathroom, like a powder room, right? That's for your guests, for people who come and visit you. Maybe you've got a family, maybe you're a small couple, you and wife, and maybe she needs to use the loo, you need to use the restroom at the same time, whatever. You have to have a backup, right? Now, I told him if he had purchased this, it would have been a big, massive mistake, and he understood that. Why? How am I able to tell him this? Because I have actually gone through the painful process of trying to, in the last 11 years that I've been working, either rent a 1-bedroom apartment with 1 bathroom. Either my team's been trying to rent it or I've been trying to rent it, or I've tried to sell it, right? So Dubai, you got to remember, it's a growing market, it's a maturing market. It's only about 15 years old. But we learn these lessons and then we apply them. We apply them with our investors. One time I remember, downtown, prime property, trying to sell a 1-bedroom apartment in Old Town. I took on the listing, I evaluated it as all other 1-bedrooms should have sold at that price. The one thing that I didn't consider was that it had only 1 bathroom. And I almost had a sale to a Malaysian couple, I remember. And they were an older couple, just wanted a holiday home for a little time in Dubai. But the biggest problem that they said was, look, we're old, we're 70, 60, whatever. There are times when both of us maybe perhaps need to use the restroom, right? With 1 bathroom, just not gonna work out. And I remember that listing by that owner ended up selling almost 40% less than what we could have sold it for. Just because of that 1-bedroom. There's a few other factors that were involved, owner situation. But look guys, don't make the purchase until you understand local market. Get somebody who's gonna help you, man. If it's not me, maybe somebody else. Ideally me, right? Hit the subscribe button, guys.